Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Forest River FR3. I want to show you something that's new for the 2025 Forest River FR3 models. It's going to be our AGS system. So this actually has an app that'll have for your Apple as well as Android to download the app, and then you'll have your passcode there, and that's going to be in your overhead cabinet there. That will take you to this app here, and this is where you can actually set your auto gen start parameters on this. So you can set that based on your battery levels. If you want to start at a certain voltage and stop at a certain voltage, you can have runtime limits, and that's based in minutes. You can also do start temperature for the interior of the coach, and then you can also set quiet time so you know that your generator will start and stop designated based on your campsite's quiet times. The way to activate this system and turn it on and off is actually going to be right by your control panel here. You will have this AGS off and on switch. All you got to do is just press that on. The red light indicator will let you know that that is on and it is activated.